So guys, yes, welcome to today's live intraday trading. So planning to buy Indus India Bank now in the market level around 1153. So let's see how the stock will perform. I just bought it now around 1153 to 1154 levels. Okay, so you can see the market is 0.51% up today. So let's see how it will perform. So even the Indus India Bank November future is also moved up. So you can see there's a bigger wick in the lower side. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform. So we have bought the Indus India Bank now, so hoping that the stock is in a very good support level, and also the market is not very much kind of a gap up here. Okay, it's just 0.50% up. I think from here the market can go upside in a linear movement. So let's see how it will perform. Okay, we have bought the Indus India Bank now, so plan to take a target of 5 to 6 points, which is almost 0.5% of the stock. Or if the market moves still in a more bullish way, or if the stock goes in a more bullish way, I can hold it for a longer time. So let's see, and I'll plan my exit according to the stock movement as of now. So right now it has made high of almost 1155.95 is the first 5 minutes candle high, if you guys can see here. So I have bought the Indus India Bank now, so let's see how the stock will perform. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. In my course, I'll teach you the full process of making consistent profit, a simple skill to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support. To provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to the trading. So you can see the stock did take some of the time and it was range bounded. Okay, it was consolidating, it was range bounded. It touched 1150 also. Now it is back to 1155 level. So yes, now we can see the stock is giving a very good movement here. So let's see how the stock will perform. So yes, the new high made is 1157. So I'm almost hitting my target, which is like 5 to 6 points. So I'll just take my exit once it crosses 1158 or 1159. So once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. So until that, you can see the live trade how the stock will perform. And if you guys wish to learn this full process of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. I'll just not teach you only the strategies, I'll teach you the full process of making consistent profit. That includes selection of the stock, entry of the stock, exit of the stock, and everything. So it's a one-time payment course and you get lifetime support. I'll teach you everything, including the strategies from selecting the stocks and everything. And also guys, in the live market, I'll be guiding you personally also, like what to trade and how to trade and everything. So you'll get all the support from my side once you join us. Okay, so yes, I shall take my exit in next few minutes. So until that, you can see the live trade now. Okay, once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock made a high of 1159.90, so almost 1160. So it moved up when I took my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Indus India Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.